Check mark bonus item free product. You will receive a bonus sweat wristband with your order as well as an ebook entitled Addressing Tennis Elbow Pain. The ebook will give you instructions on how to use our product, the tools and knowledge to address tennis elbow pain, including additional online resources such as exercises and therapies that have been shown to be helpful for tennis elbow sufferers. Check mark amazing value. You get 2 elbow braces for a much lower price. Cannot compare with other brands. You will be getting 2 elbow braces, a sweat wristband and an ebook. With a 2-count elbow brace, you can keep one in your gym or tennis bag and have another one at home or work for any repetitive motions that cause lateral epicondylitis, elbow tendonitis, carpal tunnel syndrome or arthritis pain. Check mark muscle tissue joint pain relief. Can be used for tennis elbow, golfer's elbow, computer or mouse elbow, rower's elbow, fishing elbow, pool or billiard elbow. Can also be used as an armband for weightlifting, basketball or activities that could result in elbow hyperextension. This brace has a compression gel-like pad that works better than air pads. Get 25% off our Simien rubber twist bar using ELBOWSOS promo code at checkout for tennis elbow therapy exercises when you buy the braces. Check mark versatile. One size fits most and can be used on the left or right forearm. Can complement or replace elbow compression sleeves. Works great for women and men thanks to the adjustable strap. Fits almost all size or money back. This is a hook and loop strap and we guarantee that it will not cut off circulation or have a tourniquet effect on your forearm. Check mark highest quality, 65% neoprene and 35% nylon, logo is natural rubber or not latex free. This is built to last and we guarantee that the strap will not wear out or tear apart for a lifetime or you will get your money back. You can keep your elbow braces, and bonuses, and we will refund you for your purchase. Click the ADD to cart button to order our product at our limited low price. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent product. I have a fairly severe case of golfer's elbow which has been causing a lot of pain recently, from a continual dull ache to a sharp and acute localized pain. Anyone who is suffering from this will know how miserable it is. I bought a compression sleeve, which whilst providing fairly good support to the affected area itself, proved to be uncomfortable to wear all day as I have large arms and it was too tight around my upper arm, leading me to have to cut it, which unfortunately resulted in a loss of effectiveness in the support given. I therefore did more research and came across this elbow brace from Simien. It arrived today and the package includes 2 complete braces, which is great if you suffer in both arms. It also has 2 alternative shorter straps for those with smaller arms and even a freebie wrist sweatband. I was also emailed a PDF document of how best to fit the brace for maximum effect and also a link to a YouTube video with a doctor giving step-by-step instructions on some exercises to do to help heal the issue. I put the brace on immediately and have now been wearing it for 5 hours and it is much more comfortable than the sleeve was and the ability to adjust the tightness of the straps make it a very effective way of reducing the pain in your arm, whilst retaining full movement. I've watched the video, which is a great little addition, and the exercises are well presented, practical and simple to follow, so I will be making a start on them tomorrow. I cannot praise this elbow brace highly enough and would recommend it fully without hesitation. As I said before, anyone suffering from tennis or golfer's elbow will know just how uncomfortable it makes you feel and this brace has immediately helped to alleviate that pain.